Well, I've painted myself into a little bit of a corner with today's video. We're out here at the river, and I've only brought two of the same swim bait in different sizes to fish with today. The conditions should be okay for it. Rained last night. It's going to rain later today. It's cooled off a little bit. It's cloudy. Not really any wind. Hopefully the water's not too high. The river's not blown out. But I'm throwing the Magdraft. I'm throwing a 6-inch version in AU and a 8-inch version in Gizzard Shad. I haven't caught anything on them yet, so that's what we're going to try and do today. Let's see what we can hook into. Oh, there was one right there, another gar. So they are out. Oh, just came tight on something. Just came tight on something. Oh, wait, you know, I bet you that was a gar. I bet you that was a gar. Oh man. I'm gonna try with this one more time. Right out there. And then I'm gonna try and throw the fly that I had. That's good though, that means they're probably biting. Yep, it's a gar, just porpoise right there. Okay, well if they are biting, then maybe we will be able to catch one. It definitely went for that Magdraft. That was pretty cool. I know me, I'm gonna hurt myself to power through and get this done. And I don't need to do that. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness, that's a good feeling fish. Come on, stay tight. Stay tight. Stay tight. Oh, dude, that's a good fish. Easy. Oh, that's a shoalie. Yeah, that's a good feeling fish. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. I can get to you without... Oh, easy. I'm trying to get you without hooking myself. Here we go. Gotcha. All right. What a weird hook placement. It's hooked on the underside of her lip, just barely. I mean, she definitely got it. And she definitely wasn't... Let me get some pliers. Definitely wasn't going anywhere. Gotcha. Man, decent little 2-pound shoalie. Can't complain about that. Let's see if we can't get one on the bigger 8-inch Magdraft. Beautiful fish. Let's get her back in the water. You gotta love it. That's a good fish, and I guess the swim bait bite must be on. I got several bites. That was the first one I hooked. I think that's probably indicative of the bait more so than it is anything else. It's just the way the hook is structured. I think you're either getting a great hook set or you're not getting one. But we're gonna see if we can't get one on the 8-inch swim bait. So far, so good. I mean, that's a solid fish out here on the river. Let's see what we can do. And again, this is a top of the island situation. Top/bottom of the island situation. Which I just think has the potential to hold some fish. That felt like one, but it was grass. It just kind of got heavy. It really wasn't... It really wasn't. Did I just snap off? Dude, come on now, man. What happened? No, it's still on. Okay, that's good. I think typically this is probably going to come pretty quick, whatever hit we get. Did we just break off? You've got to be kidding me. Oh boy, we're not having a good day. Just broke off my 6-inch Magdraft. I don't have another one. I don't know if I have another. Don't know what else I can throw. That's not good. Also, just because he's out there doing that, there's no telling if he's actually going to eat or not. There we go. There we go. Oh, decent one. Oh, give it just a little bit on the drag. Oh, another shoalie, I believe. Yeah, beautiful shoalie. See if I can't sit down and get a hold of him. He looks like he's about ready to come in. I think we got him on the hook set. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a good hook set. Hold on, Junior. Gotcha. All right. That's how you want that hook on the shaky head. And I've been struggling with that hook set all day. But we landed us a nice one. That's a good excuse to move back downriver and start working it back towards the launch, because I'm not feeling it today. But man, good looking fish. They're just so beautiful, man. It's crazy. There's little shoalies, big shoalies, all spots, all that right through here. Just gonna, man, that felt like a pump, boy. Yeah, that thing hit it hard. Not very big at all. Little fella. Little tiny spot. No, that is a shoalie, and my goodness. No, that is a, hold on. Wow. Okay, he's feisty, I'll tell you that. Calm down, buddy. I want to unhook you. Calm yourself. There you go. I don't see a little tooth patch, but who knows? Interesting lateral lines. Sun's almost out. Soft bite. Again, small fish. A little bit bigger than the last one. Might be able to actually lip him. Gotcha. Really good little shoalie, I believe. Man, these shoalies have some real. No, I feel a little tooth patch down there. I guess that's a spot. Sun's coming out. Maybe the gar will be out. Not bad though, another little guy. We'll see him off and move on to something else. we want to hook left. And it should be easier than it usually is because the water's a little bit higher. Of course, the water being higher also means that it's moving faster. And you get these kind of like cross current deals going on. And you want to look for the smooth water, which is not where your kayak wants to go. Your kayak kind of wants to go over the more whitewater rapidy part, and that stuff is rocks. And I am not in a good position right here. But looks like we made it okay. Really, I needed to go over here to the right. The water's a little scarier looking on that side, but more water is good when it comes to getting your boat where you want to go. You want more water. Less water means you're getting caught on a rock. And when you get caught on a rock, that's how you flip. Because part of your kayak will get stuck. Part of it will be pushed by the current. And then that's how you lose a lot of expensive gear. As quick as this is though, it's really not too terrible. You just don't want to get pushed over into this log or anything. But just like that, we'll make it back to the launch. Two things. One, Peter, if you're watching this, I didn't invite you today because I've been running a fever for a couple of days and I didn't want to get you sick. Otherwise, definitely would have given you the invite. I hate unloading and loading my kayak by myself. The other thing, we're doing a little bit of a giveaway in this video, so I think I'm going to do this on the next few videos. Whatever I catch fish on, I'm going to give to a subscriber. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and for this video, you're going to receive a 6-inch Magdraft and some Berkeley power worms in straight black with some shaky heads. So make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment so I know you're interested in it, and a random comment will be selected in a week or two, and I'll mail you those items. So it's been Caleb with Certified Dinks. Catch you on the next one.